This is video number 2 for building your DIY dog dummy launcher. This is the dummies part that I'm building here. I bought these socks at the dollar store for $1.50 a pair. They work great for sleeves over top of these pool noodles that I bought for, I think it was $1 for 2 of them, or $1 each. And I cut them into 8-inch pieces, so you can see there. So what I do is, for range, I glue a tennis ball, cut in sort of not half quite, it's a little bit more than half, onto the end for some weight so it flies properly. And then I cover them with that sleeve, and then that's where the hole is in there, and they slip right over the launcher part, and they'll shoot. I've just tried to experiment with just, and it's just I use this with a piece of hose right now with a little bit of tape, and as I squeeze that, I'm getting probably close to 10 to 15 yards out of it, maybe a little bit more. I had it outside, and I think a couple of them, they went about 20 yards, so that's good. I originally started putting sleeves inside of these and gluing them in. I took them out just because they were a little more weighted, but I don't really need that. I'm finding that it's with this kind of tube, it's tighter in there not using those, and that gives you a little bit more pressure, which gives you a little bit more distance. With those, I think that's where I was getting roughly 10 meters. With these, I'm getting, with just these, I'm getting about 20 meters. So better results for sure. So as you build one, I just use constructive adhesive and glue down the end on there. Put the sleeve over it, and that's as basic as it is and as easy as it is. So I think all of this cost me, I think those, I bought 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs for 10 dummies. I bought 2 of these to produce as well. 6, I think 10 dummies there, so, or 8. So that's basically all you need. You need a little bit of weight on these in the wind, otherwise they will fly back against it. And it's nice for the dogs to have a little bit of weight for training as well.